Hey team, ever dreamt of creating your own animation? Like a Toy Story with your old action figures, an Akira-inspired neon explosion, or maybe even a South Park-esque roast of your office drone coworker? Sounds epic, right? But then reality bites. Where do you even begin? At the beginning, of course. And these free AI animation tools are where your story comes alive. The future of animation is right here at your fingertips. First up, we have Pika, a mind-blowing AI animation tool that lives on Discord, so you'll need to hop onto the Discord server to unlock its magic. Just head over to pika.art, scroll down and click Join the Beta version. Pika is all about the prompts. These are basically the keywords that tell the AI what kind of animation you want it to cook up. Don't worry if you're prompt challenged, Pika's got your back. They have a whole section called Prompt Help and Chat, where you can brainstorm with other creative minds and get tips on crafting the perfect prompt. To see what kind of animation goodness Pika can whip up, check out the Creation Jam section. This is where you'll find a gallery of mind-bending animations created by other users, from wacky landscapes to hilarious character interactions. It's basically inspiration central for your own animation journey. So how do you actually get started with making your own animations? Pika gives you two awesome options: text to animation and image to animation. For text to animation, simply type in your prompt following the instructions on the Discord server. The more detailed and descriptive you are, the better the results will be. Think of it like painting a picture with words. Or let's say you have a killer image that you just know would be even more epic if it moved. That's where image to animation comes in. Just drag or upload your image and Pika will work its AI magic to bring it to life. You can even control things like aspect ratio, camera movement, and frame rate for smoother, more polished animations. And just to give you a taste of what Pika can do, check this. Pretty awesome, right? Don't be afraid to experiment and have fun with Pika. The more you play around with prompts and settings, the more mind-blowing animations you'll create. And hey, if you get stuck, the Pika community on Discord is always there to help and inspire. Trey Parker and Matt Stone started somewhere, guys. The world needs a new Cartman right now. Leiapix is another magical tool that takes your flat, 2D images and gives them a glorious 3D makeover. Think turning your childhood drawings into Pixar-level scenes. Yeah, that kind of awesome. To get started, head over to Leiapix Converter and log in or create an account if you haven't already. Then click the Upload Image button and grab a 2D picture from your device. Once it's uploaded, hit the Convert button and sit back as the Leiapix AI wizard works its magic. Now this is where things get cool. On the left side, you've got a playground of options to customize your 3D animation. You can adjust the animation length with a handy slider, making it a quick loop or a full-blown short film. Then, choose your animation style. Think spinning circles, floating landscapes, or even a dramatic vertical zoom. Want to fine-tune it further? Leiapix lets you control the amount of movement, choose a focus point, and even adjust the edge dilation for a smoother, more polished look. And for the tech-savvy animators, there's even an advanced editor where you can get really granular with the settings. Play around with these options. See what looks cool. Unleash your inner artist. Once you're happy with your 3D masterpiece, click the share button and download it to your device, ready to share with the world. To infinity and beyond. And to prove the power of Leiapix, check this out. Talk about cool, right? Leiapix even lets you add music to your 3D animations. Upload your own tunes or choose from their library for an extra layer of awesomeness. Okay, hombres, let's talk about the OG of image animation. Yep, the mighty CapCut. While it's not strictly an AI tool, it packs some hidden superpowers that can breathe life into your static pics. Remember those cool zooming transitions and panning effects you see on those fire Instagram stories? CapCut's got you covered. Simply import your chosen image, tap it to open the editing options, and go wild with these effects. You can even set keyframes to create custom movement, giving your image that extra oomph. But wait, there's more. CapCut also has dedicated animation options like animate and 3D zoom features. These bad boys can transform your photo into a full-blown mini-movie, adding depth and dynamism you've got to see to believe. But if you're looking for something a little more experimental, check out animated drawings, a research project from Meta, think of it as a personal animation studio in your pocket. It's super easy to use, and as the name suggests, it was originally designed to bring kids' drawings to life. But don't be fooled by the kid stuff label. You can actually upload any image you want, as long as it follows their guidelines. Think clear lines, white backgrounds, and a well-lit character with arms and legs. And for those AI-generated masterpieces, or people pics you want to animate, just make sure their limbs are visible and swap out any funky backgrounds for a clean white canvas. Then upload your image to animated drawings. Click Agree and follow the simple steps to adjust the character outline, mark their joints, and choose from a variety of animation styles. The coolest part, you can use these animations on other videos or even as standalone clips. This is some kind of next-level flipbook magic. Sadtalker is another great AI tool for animators. You can use it on Hugging Face, which is like an online workshop. Drop your image, record your voice, even choose a reference video to mimic. Then twist the knobs, adjust pose, expression, face model. You're the puppet master. The other way to use Sadtalker gets a bit techy. You'll need to install Python, Git, and download it from the GitHub repo. It's not rocket science, but it's definitely more build your own PC than plug and play. If you want a step-by-step guide, hit the comment section and let us know. And please don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more AI gold. Once you've tamed Sadtalker, the creation playground opens up. Image size, face enhancer, expression intensity. It's like a digital Frankenstein's lab. Go crazy. Create the most expressive, hilarious, or downright terrifying talking head your imagination can conjure. Instaverse is like the Instagram filter on steroids. You feed it any 2D image, be it a sunset selfie or your dog chasing tail, and you've got yourself an animated 3D scene. Kind of like those YouTube VR tours, but for your own pics. It's pretty wild, and sometimes the depth feels a bit wonky. No worries, though. Remember that Leiapix app we talked about earlier? Turns out, it can spit out a depth map that tells Instaverse just how far things are. Upload that map, tweak the animation a bit, and you're golden. Runway ML is a bit more powerful, like the AI sensei of image to video magic. Text to video, image to video, even video to video, it's got it all. Today, we're focusing on the image to video tool. Just upload your pic, and if you're feeling creative, type in a little prompt to guide the AI's imagination. But if you want to let it go wild, just hit generate and prepare to be amazed. Runway ML can spin some wild stories from your pics, like turning your beach vacation snap into a full-blown sci-fi adventure. Just keep in mind, this ain't all sunshine and rainbows. Runway ML isn't completely free. You get some free credits to play with, but if you want the full experience, like removing watermarks and unlocking all the fancy features, you'll need to grab a paid plan. It's worth it if you're serious about AI storytelling, though. After all, it's backed by the bigwigs like Microsoft, Google, and even your grandma's favorite news channel. Genmo is a free AI platform that turns your static pics into dynamic flicks. Think of it as the ultimate photo upgrade. From flat frame to full-blown movie magic. Here's the drill. Head over to genmo.ai, sign up or log in, and get ready to unleash your inner Pixar. Drop your chosen image in the designated zone, then the fun begins. You can tell Genmo exactly what you envision by typing in a detailed description, or you can let its AI brain run wild. It's up to you. Genmo also has a whole playground of settings and plugins you can tinker with. Adjust the camera movements, add dreamy effects, or throw in some funky music. Just think of it like customizing your own mini movie set. Once you've crafted your masterpiece, hit submit and watch Genmo work its magic. It'll breathe life into your image, transforming it into a mesmerizing video. Genmo's the perfect playground for anyone who wants to dip their toes in the AI storytelling pool. It's free, it's easy, and it's a ton of fun. So get out there, experiment, and see what crazy cool movie masterpieces you can create from your own photo collection. Ditch the sketchpad and embrace the digital animation revolution. Go forth and animate.